Hello and welcome to another unboxing video where apparently every week I've been doing unboxing things lately and not really traveling, but I will be traveling soon because I'm going to lots of places in the next few weeks. But for now, we're gonna have a little bit of a fillers with some unboxings, like Pokemon or other stuff. This, however, is not gonna be Pokemon. This, however, it is from Pop Mart. And you're wondering, Rin, is this another Labubu? No, it's not. It is something else. It is called, I'm gonna butcher the names because this is in French. But this is the Skullpanda, this word here, because I don't want to offend any French people, but this is like the new set for like the Skullpanda pendant series. This one is like themed, I think, flowers. I got this one via the official Pop Mart app. I was lucky enough to get one because they're, again, very hard to find. Not as hot as Labubu, but still hard nonetheless. If we look at the bottom here, this is what you could get potentially. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I'll post a photo somewhere here or something. Yeah, there's all these different colors. I don't know if it's gonna be as vibrant as the one in the box. We will find out today. Will I get a secret? I have no idea. I don't even know what the secret looks like. I'm gonna assume that's none of these colors here. That is today's video, and let's get started. Be free. Be free from your plastic packaging. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this beautiful box. I chose to buy this because one, I am obsessed with pastel anything colors, and two, they all look like pretty cute. Welcome to 9 boxes we're gonna open. Let's start with like the middle one because I feel like it's easier to get in the middle box than it is around the box. So here's another look of what you could get if the camera will focus. Let's see what we get. And also, you know the drill. We will not look at the card because it shows what the actual product is. So, spoilers, but we will look at the bag. I am opening it as I'm looking at the camera so I don't see the card. So, yeah. So this is what the packaging looks like. Nothing too fancy, like Labubu is just simple and like pretty. Open them up and you're gonna be the first one to see what it looks like. Oh, it's another plastic. I wonder why. Oh, it's a brown one. I'm assuming it's like a floral theme. So what is this one called? Teakwood, I think. I think it's Teakwood, like this top one here. I'm not sure how I feel about these things because I feel like they'll break easily. But otherwise, honestly, I'm pretty happy with anything I get in this. Just glad that I have like the whole set, to be honest. I'm still working progress on the winter series. First I'm gonna do is demo Disney first because they're a bit harder to find. And also like the winter series gets restocked often, so I'm not really too worried about trying to get all of them. One down, another to go. Will we get a secret today? I have no idea. I don't know who I want to replace if I want the secret because all of them are pretty cute. It would be really heartbreaking if I had to replace any of these. So welcome to box number 2. Place your bets on what the last one would be. Right now we have a Teakwood. Yes, that's the name. So another bag. Rip it open and trying to find the handle. Ooh, it's the kind of the top ones that I wanted, to be honest, because I'm a sucker for red things. So you are, I believe, Blossom. What a fitting name, because you kind of remind me of like a rose or a blossom. So I like this one because like it is not paper. I was about to say plastic, but no, it's like paper. This is like fabric and more okay going out. And box number 3. Let's go. I chose the one, by the way, on the middle right of me. Let's choose the one that's lopsided. That was like top middle. Open them up. What are we gonna get for number 3? Let's see what it is. Ooh, I got the pink one this time. I got Windflower. I don't know if Windflowers are usually pink, but she's pretty. Go well with my Blossom right here. Pretty happy with it. It's a fun little adventure. We're going to box number 4. Leave a comment down below which one would you think you want in this set, because there's a lot in this set. Number 4. I thought I got a duplicate, but I'm like, I don't get duplicates in this box. But this is, I'm gonna guess your name is Amber, because the color in the real life figure is different from the box. It's a bit like more vibrant. Well, this one's more like deep and stuff. So I'm guessing you're Amber. I associate this with like not winter, fall. Maybe I bring out the fall whenever I go to like Japan in the fall or autumn. It's like I will be taking these out to like places and stuff. It's just I'm very subconscious about bringing Pop Mart related things. So this is number 5. Okay, so another bag, rip it open, and have another one. Which color? Oh, it's a green one this time. Green is, I believe, pond. You know what? That's accurate to your name, because I would associate you with like water lily, perhaps. Yeah, she's so cute. She has like a little tutu neck thing around. So pretty. All of these are so pretty. Like, I cannot choose which one is like my favorite ones, because they're all so cute. So far, I think my top one is Blossom, but maybe this next one will be my number 1. Let's see what we get in box number... Did I say 5? I said 5 in the previous one. This is number 5. Whoops. Oh, well. Here it comes. Maybe this is 6. No, this is 6. I am lack of sleep. What color we're gonna get? It is... Oh, it's a white one this time. Ooh, maybe you'll be with the winter series that I have currently, because you remind me of like winter. So your name is Mist. You're so pretty though. I could never like work well with like white, because I think I tried like doing cosplays that are like white head, and it always looks so weird on me. I don't know why. So maybe this will give me the motivation to try out like white hair cosplays. Another box time. I don't know if that's a bad omen, but as soon as I tried to open the box, this came out. It's just the lid of the box. Uh-oh. Is my bad luck gonna be today? Don't want to think about it. I don't want to think about like bad luck. Think about positivity and good luck. So here comes another one. Ooh, I love you. Another thing about me, I'm a sucker for things purple. And so I like, one of my favorite like Labubu big into energy Labubus is the Luck one that has like the gradient purple like this one. So she's so pretty. What are you? What's your name? Your name is Lightning. Huh, I thought you'd be like, I don't know, yellow or something, but I would associate you as lavender or something. She's so cute. She'll go well with my Luck Labubu. So precious. You're my new top number 1, followed by Blossom in number 2. Alright, we have 2 more to go. 2 more to open. Let's go with this one. Let's see what's our second last box of today. I think we're missing Dew and Dawn. Let's open them up and you guys get to see it first. Who is it? Ah, this is Dew, I think. No, it's Dawn. Sorry. She has like a little bow. This is my take. I don't know how I feel about the ribbons being long. Like, I feel like it's a bit too long. Yeah, she's so cute. Like a morning dew. Alright, the last one. Haven't got yet. Is Dew. Will this be the light blue colored Dew, or will this be the secret that I don't know what the color is? We shall see in 3, 2, 1. We open them up. Get the bag out. Open the bag. And what are we gonna get? Oh, it is Dew. Yay. Oh my god, the eyes. Look at the eyes though. Kind of not straight. Can you move? Oh yeah, I just realized that you can move the eyes. She's so pretty. She goes well with the white one. I feel like I should take her to the winter adventures as well. She also has like little clothes on that reminds me of like those winter poncho things. Don't know what the official term is, and this bit here reminds me of like a scarf. Overall, I am pretty happy with everything that I got. There's like no duplicates, which is awesome. And unfortunately we didn't get the secret today, but hopefully in my next Pop Mart adventure I'll pull a secret. I don't mind whatever I can get. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one, which will be me opening Victini Pokemon cards. But don't worry, after that we're going on an adventure to various events and cons, so look forward to that one. This is Rin signing out, and I'll again see you in my next one. Bye!